Hi, welcome to Perceptive Healings, and I'm inviting you to join us in our spring Perceptive Seasonal Detox, Seasonal Cleanse. It's a very simple process that we go through. We focus on intermittent fasting. If you're not familiar with that or haven't had success with that, this is a good place to start, and you can kind of experiment and establish what your fasting and feasting times are and the foods that support your body type in Ayurveda, your dosha, body constitution. So it's very guided towards what your needs are. It's not at all the one thing fits everybody, but we do focus on the intermittent fasting. You can learn about fast mimicking diet from an Ayurvedic perspective and how to do that on your own without having to purchase a kit or anything. So there's those options along with developing your better gut health with the microbiome and the microbiome diet, self-care habits that support and primal habits that further support during a seasonal cleanse. And I do focus a lot on the spirituality side and the chakras and the spiritual energy, subtle energy that connects us more deeply to our body and tuning more inward for what our body needs and how we nourish our body. That's the main focus. So it's a very there's some experienced people in there and you'll have new people in there, and we all just kind of inspire each other and try things out, experiment with, the cryotherapy, cold plunging, different levels of that. It's not something you have to do, but it's another thing that's beneficial. So it's a shared experience with exploring that. I also have training in seed sprouting and the microgreens, so there's a free workshop on that as well. And we generally do a tarpana or a ancestral healing session so that you can kind of get a introduction to that and learn if that's something that you like to do to heal your lineage or heal certain things in yourself. Very, very engaging. Uh, it's a good, safe environment, and we have live calls, 3 live calls, where one is the kickoff, easing in, the second one is going deep, and then the third one is easing out of the detox. And I just usually put like 3 days in the beginning for easing in, about a 10-day range for the deep part, which you may only do 5 to 7 days of deep detoxing, and then the 3 days easing out. And you just adjust it based on your schedule. It doesn't have to be exact with everybody else on the timing that you do everything. It's it's a good environment to learn more if you're not as familiar or you've tried other detoxes and they didn't suit you. This is a very low cost one, so that it's open to people that want to approach it and haven't before, didn't feel comfortable with it. There's not any special supplements or anything that you have to purchase. This is just the course will cost at a discount. It's $45 in US. And I have varying days and times so that different time zones can attend the live calls. There will also be recordings, so you don't have to attend all the live calls. I encourage you to attend as much as you can. There's always time for Q&A after the information, and we share a lot of our experiences and what's working, what's not working, kind of so we can get coaching, mentoring on any of the challenges. Very interesting to go through this process, especially if you're new to it or you've done some level of it and you just want a place where you feel supported. That's what perceptive seasonal cleanses are for. So we'll see you in. Thank you.